What is up, YouTube? We are back on the boxes, back on the subscription boxes, and now that we are done with the bespoke subscription box company, we are moving on over to try Nomadik. Now, Nomadik is heavily geared towards the outdoors, so we're going to get a lot more items that you can use when you're backpacking or camping or exploring. This is Nomadik's welcome to the company box, the $35 membership box that they send you when you first sign up. And somehow I not only got one of these, but I somehow managed to get two on accident. Don't ask me how. It would be impossible to tell you. Hopefully they are two separate things, two different boxes with different items, but if not, one lucky subscriber, when I hit 50 subscribers, I will send this box out to you free of charge. I will cover all the shipping costs. So yeah, once we get to 50 subscribers, this is yours. Alright, without further ado, let's get this first Nomadik box open. Using the little cheese knife that we got in our bespoke box. Comes in handy every now and then. Okay. So, alright, so this is indeed their welcome box. It's got some brand discounts and coupons on the back if you want to go look online through their site and pick up some items individually. Some other blurbs in here. Alright, so the first item I'm pulling out is this little travel compass. I don't have a compass yet, so it's good to have one of these on you when you're in the great outdoors so you don't get lost, and it's definitely a safety precaution to have one of these on you in general. And this one is very light and small, so why not pack it along with you? I got a little sticker here. Cool. Looks like there is a little sports hydration mixed drink. Seems like a little throw-in item. I'm not too fond of getting items that are food or consumable items. If I'm going to get consumable items for my trip, I want to do it myself. I don't want to be paying a subscription company to send me these things. And then looks like we got a little water pouch, portable water pouch. Right off the bat, it feels kind of cheap. It's very stiff plastic. Sure, it's nice to have something portable, but water is something you don't want to mess around with out in the wilderness. So this is more, I feel like, of a hiking kind of thing. There's a lot higher end stuff if you're doing days at a time on backpacking trips that you can find in terms of water holders or water purification systems and thermoses and things like that. Essential face wipes. I mean, thanks. And another face wipe right here. And lastly, we got the Koala Tree pack or water resistant backpack. Move that here. It looks like it's pretty portable, kind of stuffs into it, so open it up and see what it looks like. Yeah, so basically it's your standard kind of hiking backpack, kind of a light day on the trail backpack. Keep your water, your lunch, maybe your cell phone, wallet, and things like that. So I managed to take a peek in this box real quick, and it is the exact same items. And like I said before, when I hit 50 subscribers, one lucky subscriber I will be sending this out to. It's every item that I just showed you here for free. So yeah, my final thoughts on this welcome box from Nomadik was it was very underwhelming. I definitely feel like I kind of got ripped off in a way. A lot of these items are, in my opinion, not worth $35 as a whole. It feels like they threw a bunch of little things in and there wasn't much thought to it. A lot of the items are cheap, and like I said, I don't really like things that can be consumed because really they only have one use. And what I'm looking for in an outdoor box is things that I can reuse over and over. And I feel like that's where you get the most value from these boxes. Sure, I can use the backpack and the portable water pouch over and over, but they're not very exciting items. I'd rather these subscription boxes give me one really good item instead of a bunch of really small, unexciting items. It's like at Christmas time, you're excited to open your presents, and then you get to this one present, and it turns out to be socks. Sure, you need them, but do you want them? I'm probably going to use the backpack and the portable water pouch here and there, but you don't want to get these items and already be looking to replace them in your itemized gear list. And yeah, the backpack is nice, but it's safe. It's not exciting. It's something that I can go out to the store and purchase myself. I really want these subscription boxes to send me stuff that I don't necessarily think about when I'm out shopping for new gear or items or anything else in outdoor stores. But like I said, it was very disappointing, and I don't think the $35 value of this box comes anywhere close. So if we compare Nomadik with Bespoke, Bespoke is looking actually really good right now, even though they're not really considered strictly outdoor. Their boxes definitely beat out this first box from Nomadik, and unfortunately this box was pretty bad, and I worry about trying them out again, but we'll give them a second chance. Hopefully their next box is a lot better than this one, and if not, I think we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next company because I definitely don't want to get ripped off twice in a row. If you guys thought this video was helpful, throw me a like, throw me a comment, give me some subscription boxes that you might want to see in the future, and don't forget to subscribe to the pack for more of your unboxing needs. And as always, stay tuned.